Hey, are you video editor? If you're tired of spending hours editing your videos, this video is for you. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use Kapwing's AI video editing features to create videos faster and easier than ever before. Kapwing is a cloud-based video editor that offers a variety of AI-powered features that can save you time and effort and help you create more creative and engaging videos. In this video, we're going to cover 3 of the most popular AI features: Smart Cut Remove Background, Magic Subtitles. To use Smart Cut, simply upload your video to Kapwing and then click the Smart Cut button. Kapwing will analyze your video and automatically remove any silences. To use Remove Background, simply upload your video to Kapwing and then click the Remove Background button. Kapwing will analyze your video and automatically remove the background. To use Magic Subtitles, simply upload your video to Kapwing and then click the Magic Subtitles button. Kapwing will analyze your video and automatically generate subtitles. Kapwing's AI video editing features are a powerful tool that can help you create videos that are faster, easier with Kapwing. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.